Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tasty chocolate. First, choose high-quality cocoa beans, as this is crucial for the final flavor. Next, you'll roast these beans. Aim for a temperature between 250 and 300 degrees Fahrenheit, roasting them for about 20 to 30 minutes. This step is vital because it develops the rich, complex flavors that make chocolate so delicious. Pay attention to the aroma as they roast. After roasting, it's time for winnowing. This means cracking the beans and separating the inner nibs from their brittle outer shells. You can do this by hand or with a simple machine. Once you have your clean nibs, the next step is grinding them. This process transforms the solid nibs into a smooth, liquid cocoa liquor. For the best texture, use a melanger or a stone grinder, which can take several hours. Now we move to conching, a crucial step for refining your chocolate's texture and flavor. In a conche machine, the cocoa liquor is continuously mixed and aerated. This process helps to evaporate unwanted volatile acids, reducing bitterness and enhancing desirable flavor compounds. During conching, you'll also incorporate sugar and any other ingredients, such as milk powder for milk chocolate. This can take anywhere from several hours to several days. Finally, we temper and mold the chocolate. Tempering involves carefully heating and cooling the chocolate to specific temperatures, which stabilizes the cocoa butter crystals. This gives your finished chocolate a beautiful glossy shine and that satisfying crisp snap when you break it. Once tempered, pour the liquid chocolate into your desired molds. Allow it to cool and set completely, and then your delicious homemade chocolate is ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.